if the extra price worth to pay for the most expensive avocado, or shall we just buy the mid-range one, or is the small one better, or if you buy a pack of 4, which one? I don't know, I'm so confused. Hello everyone, welcome back to We Love Food again. The reason why I'm making this video because it was so confusing last time when I went to the supermarket, wanted to buy some avocado for myself. It was in few different shelves, so many different pack sizes, and I was like, okay, which one to pick? One was so big, one was so small, another one was like a pack of 4 but all of them small, another one medium size avocados in a pack of 2. So I was thinking, okay, I'm gonna pick up all of them, go home and try which one is the best, and then I will decide which one to buy next time. So first let's try the pack of 4 one. Tastes alright. The texture is good. If you leave it for a day it will be even softer. This one seems alright. Not that bad. This has a lot more flavor. Yeah, I think this is the organic one. Let's try the salad one. It's quite hard, obviously you have to peel it. Yeah, it's crunchy, it has the flavor. Okay, let's try the medium one. Almost same as the organic one, but I think organic was a bit more oily, but this is ripe, so that's why I think it has all the flavor. Let's try the large one. Wow, it's yummy. They're all quite similar, so here is my thought. I think the large one had more texture to it. Also the medium one, Tesco one, is just pretty average. I can live with that. The green salady one, I don't usually buy the green ones, but it's up to you. So I've been trying all these avocados. It was so delicious. I've been enjoying it. I probably could finish them all, but I'm gonna save some for my kids and my wife. So tell me what you're thinking. If you really like this video, make sure to thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumbs down twice. And I will see you next time with another nice video. Bye bye.